Hello everybody, welcome to the next video from Kashan. The historical house of Qajar was bought from Shibani family in 2009. This house dates back to the Qajar period. Many renovations has been done to change the use of this house to a museum and library. This house has two floors. On the first floor is the museum of Mr Shibani and the library, and the lower floor is a place for gathering people and holding play reading classes. This museum belongs to Iranian poet and painter Manouchehr Shibani. The photo museum is in the 3 rooms and has different styles. Abstract paintings. The paintings in this room are a kind of mythology. The image of the first bullfight that was performed in Spain. They shed the blood of the first cow to bless the earth. This painting can represent reality, but they are not real. Here are drawings with the name of eyes and 4 eyes. The painting of this collection depicts everything that exists in the depths of an eye. The collection of southern people, which was inspired by Mr. Shibani's travels to the south of country, paintings about the life and work of the southern people. This device is a moving board that presents a different image every time it stops. This device was invented by Mr. Shibani. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and turn on notifications. Example of photos taken with this device. Until the next video, bye bye.